Hi, I'm Paul Morton. This is M-Advisor Office Hours. Today we're talking about personal umbrella insurance. Personal umbrella insurance is excess liability for your property and your casualty coverages. So the goal or the intended purpose of umbrella insurance is to protect your assets and future income from personal lawsuit. You can really only obtain a personal umbrella insurance policy through your car insurance policies. So typically, you will want to request from your car insurance agent the minimum necessary of your car insurance policy coverages to justify an umbrella policy. So you want the minimum amount of car insurance you can get to justify the umbrella. The minimum amount of car insurance is typically much higher than what the average amount of car insurance is. So some states show car insurance coverages differently, but in my state, how it shows it is in 3 numbers. So oftentimes, and this varies by carrier, but this is probably the average of what that minimum amount of car insurance is. $250, $500, $150 is how your car insurance will say. So then $250,000 of that claim will be set aside for medical payments to others. There's a total of $500,000 of aggregate claim amount, and then there's $150,000 set aside for property damage. And so when you increase your car insurance coverages, you can manage the cost through your deductibles. So the deductible is the amount of each claim that you are responsible for. Many times I see low deductibles, $250 to $500. If you kick that deductible up to about $1,000, if that's available in your personal financial situation, then that lowers the price. The deductible really determines the price of your coverages. And so with that price lowered and the car insurance increased to that minimum amount of car insurance necessary to justify the umbrella policy, then you will be allowed to purchase an umbrella policy. And typically they come in units of $1 million. So you can get from most insurance companies $1 million, $2 million, $3 million, up to about $5 million of umbrella insurance before they start justifying, well, why do you want more than this? So usually $1 to $5 million is what you qualify for. And umbrella insurance is usually very affordable. So $1 million of car insurance translates to, it depends on how you're rated, if you have teenage drivers or if you have elderly drivers or if you have a difficult driving history, then it can be quite a bit more expensive. But if you don't have any of those items on your history or in your household, about $20 a month for $1 million of umbrella insurance. And so that protects your assets against lawsuit. Also can protect future wages if you don't have the assets to cover a lawsuit if you lose in a judgment. And the umbrella insurance, it doesn't just cover you in the car. It's not just an extension of your car insurance. It follows you as the insured around in your personal life. It is not professional insurance, but it is personal malpractice insurance is what I like to call it. So if something happens and we get sued, that umbrella insurance is what kicks in and really saves the day. So umbrella insurance is important, especially for those in high-ranking positions, those who wear white coats and maybe are driving home with a white coat or scrubs, and those who have assets or a bright future to protect. Thank you for listening. I'm Paul Morton with M-Advisor. This is M-Advisor Office Hours.